While tax planning is an essential tool, it allows you to keep track of profits and expenses, ensuring preparation for whatever tax liabilities you may have at the end of the year. It can also be a daunting process that requires time and effort. The best piece of advice that we can offer to simplify this process, while also making sure you're not missing out on anything that can minimize that tax liability, is to get with a tax professional.
Now you may think, why spend time and money to work with a tax planner when I could just do it myself? They will guide you throughout the year in keeping track of your profits, expenses, and liabilities so that when tax season comes, you'll know exactly where you stand. It's kind of like feeding a calf. You can either feed it and pay now or don't feed it and pay more later. So while it costs more to work with a tax professional, it allows you to save time in the long run.
The number one thing in agricultural tax planning is prepaids. In short, these are payments made during the tax year for supplies that will be used next year. This adds more expenses up against your costs, which could allow you to save on your taxes depending on the year you had. A general rule of thumb is to go by is if you had a profitable year with little purchases or expenses, you're going to have a sizable tax liability. If things aren't going so well, you more than likely want to wait for those purchases. Purchasing equipment or making capital improvements is also a great way to catch your depreciation expense as well.
When we talk about depreciation, we're referring to the allocation of cost of an asset over its useful life, which is another key method in tax planning. These are all things that you want to work with your tax planner on. We recommend finding a tax planner with real insight into your operation because they will be the ones who will have the knowledge that will have the greatest effect on decreasing your tax liabilities.
Working with a professional who has a good understanding of these things is crucial. We want to encourage our customers to be proactive and take the extra steps so that whenever it's time to file taxes, you can rest in the security of knowing what to expect and having a long-term plan. We know that tax planning can be intimidating. We want to stress that the more you meet with your tax professional, the easier things get. Although we ourselves are not tax professionals, we're here to help and can guide you in finding a good CPA for your business.